quite a bit of the walls have already been done. You can see the forms here have been filled with concrete, and the concrete walls are setting, and overnight they should be all set as we prepare for the rest of the forms to be added and the remaining of the foundation footings to be completed back there. And once that's done, then they'll do the foundation of the whole floor of the building. The foundation and steel is one of the most expensive parts of the project, and so we will be needing some more funds pretty soon. Now you can see here the footings that were placed last week.